hauled him away to prison in handcuffs and chains for a night of whiskey. It seemed so insane. He believed she was cheating with a man he barely knew. The devil took control of him. There was nothing he could do. He was drinking way too much that night. He was sorry he crossed the line, a mistake that would cost him. He bowed and started crying. The courtroom, it was silent. The pain was clear to see. Here stood someone, a mistake he'd done. It is what it will be. So they led him down a hallway to a room so cold alone. His tears, they fell as he recalled a peaceful place called home. He was sentenced to die so permanent. As he reflected, his love was true. A careless act, a drunken state, and soon he'd join her too. It was just one night, there was no fight. He was just past no return. She was having fun, his jealousy won. In his mind it seemed to burn. Next thing he knew, he stood over the two. He had pulled the trigger in rage. The whiskey won, in his hand a gun. A man diagnosed afraid. So many fall to a single event. A substance was involved, but wrong is wrong, hard to forgive when we refuse to evolve. And so life goes on. There's a party next door. Sounds like they're having fun, till someone screams, "It's not what you see." He stands there with a gun.